What's up, guys? How are you doing? It's Alex here down at our drum school. It's that time of the week again, guys. It's Rudiment of the Week time. And this week, we're going to have a little look at the triple stroke roll. So we've been through our single stroke roll family. We're still in the roll family. They're broken into different sections. We've done our single stroke roll family. We're now going to move into our multiple bounce family, okay? Now, as you can probably tell by the title, these rudiments are made up with multiple strokes on each hand. The first one we're going to have a little look at is the triple stroke roll. Now, the triple stroke roll is made up of 3 notes on each hand. The subdivision we're going to use is a 16th note triplet, so 6 notes splitting with 3 on each hand. So I'm going to play it nice and slow for you guys, and it looks and sounds like this. So you can see I'm playing 3 notes on each hand. Ba 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 ba. 16th note triplet feel. I'm going to play this from open to close, back to open again, or slow, fast, and then slow. And you'll be able to hear how this rudiment sounds across a range of tempos. Here we go. And there you have it, people, the triple stroke roll. So this is quite a fun rudiment to play. It's a good warm-up, this one as well. Gets the blood flowing. It's quite a lot of movement on each hand. And for this one, we also have to get our fingers going again as well. And we're going to talk a little bit more about that in a longer lesson that you'll be able to find over on the YouTube channel. That's Al's Drum School on YouTube. We have a channel there with loads more content, lots more stuff that's dived into a lot deeper. Longer lessons, you can find out a lot more information. And of course, guys, if you want to find out even more, you're welcome to come book a lesson, come down here, learn with me, hang out with me in our beautiful garden and our studio, and you can learn all the stuff that you need to know about drumming. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, guys, and I'll hopefully see you again here next week. Don't forget to practice. Don't forget to tag Al's Drum School, guys, as well. We'd love to see your videos of you practicing. Have a great week, guys, and I'll catch you next time. See ya.